Before you send your child back to school this year, there's something the CDC is encouraging parents to add to their back-to-school checklist to help keep them safe. Jonathan Seri has more from Atlanta.
Good morning. Welcome back.
As students across the country return to school, the CDC is issuing a call to action, reminding parents to get their children vaccinated before they head back to the classroom as part of their back-to-school checklist.
I expect this fall and winter to look much more like the fall and winter of 2019 than the last 2 years, with a lot less mitigation. And that means we should be ready for more flu and more COVID.
The CDC encourages parents to make sure all school-age children are up to date on routine vaccines and have received recommended COVID-19 vaccines as a first line of defense. The agency also pushing healthcare providers to help make vaccines more accessible. Education Secretary Miguel Cardona says steps like these are vital.
We have to be precautious. Student safety must remain our number one priority. But we have better science, we have the tools, we have vaccinations available.
This comes at a time when some schools are loosening COVID protocols after the CDC relaxed its own quarantine and testing guidelines last week. Even though the virus continues to spread, the CDC reports roughly 95% of Americans 16 or older have immunity from either infection or vaccination.
Kids do tend to be at lower risk for complications of COVID compared to adults, but that doesn't mean zero risk.
In addition to vaccines and boosters, the Biden administration is pushing schools to improve access to COVID testing, as well as improving indoor air quality. In Atlanta, Jonathan Seri, Fox News.